What's up, Discount Divas and Dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all, they had 5 off of 25 at Family Dollar today, which was Wednesday. And basically, I'm going to be showing y'all the deals that I did. And y'all can hold your horses until Saturday and apply some of these deals with a 10 off of 30. Plus, I got some kind of Family Dollar coupons in the mail that I want to show y'all to see if y'all have gotten any of these before or whatever. But I did incorporate one of the coupons in a transaction, and basically it's a 5 off of 25 coupon valid from March 29th to April the 11th, 2026. And I ain't never got no coupons in the mail from Family Dollar before, especially 5 off of 25. But before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into these hot Family Dollar deals. Okay, y'all, here is the first transaction I did. And basically this Bounty Essentials was $9. The Tide Ultra White was $8.20. On clearance it was $10.50. And basically, y'all, I was using that 5 off of 20 P&G coupon because it does go with the 5 off 25, but in this case I used a coupon instead of the 5 off 25 in my app, but it still let me use it. So the Downy fabric softener, y'all, was $8.35 on clearance. It was $10.25, and the 5 off of 20 P&G came off of that, making it just $3.35. And the Mr. Clean was $6.35. We have a $2 digital coming off of that, making it $4.35. So the $5 P&G came off, and I used my 5 off of 25 coupon, making the total $19.90, making each item $4.97 each. And I'm gonna cover up the barcode because some people be weird and trying to scan coupons and all of that, but this is the coupon that they gave me in the mail, and I had 2 of them, but I just used one in the store because I wanted to show y'all what this coupon look like. But yeah, it's a Family Dollar coupon, and no, this is not an April Fool's joke. It's a real coupon in the mail, and I just used it at the store, and basically it worked. And I'm gonna show y'all the receipt. Let me fix my receipts. Okay, here is my receipt, and as you can see, smart coupon $5. It came off that Downy fabric softener, and then it says $5 off, and my total was $19.90. So there's the two $5, and basically it came off. So let's get into the next deal. Okay, y'all, here are my next 2 transactions. And starting off, we are going to be discussing these Glad products right here, y'all. We had a nice deal going on with these Glad quart bags, sandwich bags, and freezer bags. But as you know, couponers will ruin something because, like, there makes no sense why you want to do 19 transactions. So once they see people keep on using this certain coupon, they pull it. And other people don't have the pleasure of being able to use the coupon. Well, long story short, Basically, these Glad bags were buy one get one free, and we had $1.25 coming off of each one that you purchased. Basically, so these sandwich bags was $3.55, $1.78 came off, and that $1.25, making these 52 cents. Then on the quart bags, they were $3.55, $1.77 came off, and $1.25, making these only 53 cents. So the both of these together was $1.05, making each box like 52 cents. Some people's was lower because their store had boxes for like $3.25 or something like that. But anyhow, I was on Facebook, and some people had tons of these things where they did 19, 20 transactions, and then other people's trying to find out how to get them, and they're like, oh, they pulled the coupon. I guess so, because people want to be greedy and keep on doing using the coupon over and over and over again. They have a lot of accounts using the coupons up. But y'all, I got these two, the sandwich and the quart bags for $1.05. So that's one transaction, one coupon I wanted to talk to y'all about, and hopefully they bring it back so the people that want to do this transaction can do it. All the people that actually need these products can get them for cheap. Okay, moving on. The next transaction is on the Angel Soft, which I got 3 of those. Brawny, and I got 2 things of Dixie 18 count paper plates. We had a coupon where it was spend 20 get 5 off of Dixie, Vanity Fair, Brawny, Sparkle, Angel Soft, and Dixie products. So starting off with the Brawny, it was $12. No coupon. Then on the Angel Softs, they were $6.85. 3 of them was $20.55. We had a digital coming off of 1, making the 3 $19.55. Then I got 2 of these Dixie plates because they had a $1.50 coupon off when you buy 2. They were $3.45 each. 2 was $6.90. $1.50 came off, making them $5.40. So when my 5 off of 20 came off for purchasing these, and then my 5 off of 25 came off for purchasing 25 or more, the total was $26.95, making each item $4.49 each, y'all. Not bad at all, especially for 3 things of toilet paper, some towel paper, and you got some paper plates. Now, y'all, I got one more transaction I want to show y'all from Family Dollar. And like I said, keep these deals in mind because Saturday we have a 10 off of $30 coupon that you can use in the Family Dollar app. And, you know, some of these transactions might be good for you to do, and maybe add, you know, 1 or 2 little extra things on and get your $10 off. But let's get into this next transaction. Okay, y'all, here is the last transaction we will be getting into, because, y'all, I am so busy. I got so much stuff going on right now. It's not even funny, not to mention I got stuff I need to put away and clean up. But let's get back to the transaction at hand. Okay, I picked up a Downy. I was trying to get that 5 off of 20 PNG and the 5 off 25. But I don't know which one came off because it's only showing on the receipt one of $5 off. But I mean, it still was a reasonable price for some of these items. So this Downy up to 90 lows is on clearance. Cool Cotton, it was $6. Then we have the Downy Light Beads. They were $4.60. Then I had got two of the Secrets. They were marked down to $4.97 a piece, so they were $9.94 for two. Then the Febreze air freshener was $3.70. We have $2 coming off, making it $1.70. And then on the Cascade, it's $8.97 with $2 coupon. Well, digital coupon coming off, making it $6.97. And these air fresheners, I meant to tell y'all, are a good filler item because they are $3.70, but that $2 off coupon is making them just $1.70. So these are a good filler item, and if y'all still got this coupon, it will be good to go along with something on Saturday. But $5 came off of this transaction, making it 24.21, making each item $4.03 each. And for these particular items, I think that's a good price because these deodorants are usually like $8-9 at Walgreens. Beads are normally like 7 something. And as you can see, they reduced these to $8.97, but these buckets are high. And then this Downy is usually more expensive than $4.03. So I think for this transaction, that's a good deal. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I gave y'all some ideas for a Saturday shopping coupon haul for y'all. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications because no telling what type of deals I will be dropping. And with that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.